she get it good from she rise. But put it on so good I make she shake all she ties. Smile upon her face, me know she pleased with this eyes. Come in around to me, them gyal a roll out them eyes. Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there.
Yes, sir. What's going on, y'all? This is Boots and Beats' very own instructor, Vegas TMB, aka the Millennial Bandit. And I'm bringing y'all the dances called Wind Down, choreographed by our very own Mark Paulino and Sammie Yost. This is a 2-wall dance, 32 count, consists of 1 tag. So let's get it. All right, weight is on your left. What you're gonna do, you're gonna do a ball, rock, recover. So your first step is right, left ball, rock, recover. So you're gonna be a ball, rock, recover on your ref. Then afterwards, you're gonna do a coaster step. Once you do that coaster step, then you're gonna do a ball cross where your right foot is slightly back, left foot back, quarter turn on your left. Then you're gonna step your right foot out, and then you're gonna come back and do a sailor heel. So all it is a behind side cross. All right, let's take it up top. 6, 7, 8, ball, rock, recover, coaster, step, ball, cross, out, sailor, heel. All right, now let's do that with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, now the next step. You're gonna do another ball cross, left foot behind, right foot cross, ball cross. Then you're gonna quarter turn on your right to 12 o'clock, quarter turn. Then you're gonna do a triple step on your right shoulder to go triple step. And then you're gonna jump in like hopscotch, jump out. Then you're gonna rock your hips, rock, rock, rock. 3 times, or you can go right into it. All right? So let's practice that from here. You're gonna do ball cross, quarter turn, triple step, in, out, rock, rock, rock. All right, we're memorizing from the top. 6, 7, 8, ball, rock, recover, coaster, step, ball, cross, step out, sailor, heel, ball, cross, quarter turn, triple step, jump out, rock, rock, rock. All right, the next one, stepping on back. What you're gonna do, you're gonna flip your left foot, and you can choose this. This is a good style. While you do a rock recover, it's a rock recover right here. You're gonna flip your left to do rock, then recover. Then you're gonna do a half sailor step, turn it on your left, sailor half. And then you're gonna do the same thing with the right one to go flip rock, recover, but this time you're gonna do a behind side cross. All right, so from here, you're gonna flick 6, 7, 8, left, recover, sailor, half flick, right, recover, behind side cross. All right, from the beginning. 6, 7, 8, ball, rock, recover, coaster, step, ball, cross, out, sailor, heel, ball, cross, quarter turn, triple step, and out, rock, then rock, rock, then split, sailor, half, then flick, behind side cross. All right, we're almost there. This is the last 8 count. So all you need is another ball cross, but this time right foot is behind, ball cross, then you're gonna unwind, then you're gonna do a jazz box step, which is a left foot cross, right foot back, left foot side, right foot cross, and then you're gonna do a slide, tap your right foot, then you're gonna do a rock, recover, kick. Then you're gonna go right back into it. All right, so let's do a behind side cross. 6, 7, 8, ball, tap, unwind, jazz box step, then strap, drag, ball, rock, then kick. Now this is a count. 6, 7, 8, and 1. Turn 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Ball rock, then kick. Then go right back into it. All right, from the top. 6, 7, 8, and rock. Recover. Coaster, step, ball cross. Step out, say la here, ball cross. Quarter turn, triple step and out. Rocky hips, rocky hips, rocky hips. Flick left, recover. Say la half, flick your right, recover. Behind side cross, ball cross, then turn. Jazz box step, then drag. Tap, ball rock, then kick. This is your tag. As you do a rock, recover, kick, it's only a 4 count. It's going to be an and 1, and 2, and 3, hold 4. So your and 1 will be, after you do that, rock, recover, kick, this is your and 1. You're going to step your right foot back and you're going to cross over your left. Then this is what you call a heel hop. It's just a heel hop, right, left. Then you're going to do the same thing again, quarter turn again, right, left. When that right foot is in the front, you hold on forward. So how's it look? From this side, once you do that, rock, recover, kick, and 1. Heel hop, hold 4, then go right back into it. All right? So let's go for that tag. 6, 7, 8, rock, recover, kick, and 1. And 2, and 3, hold 4, then rock, recover, coaster step. All right? Well, that's the name of the dance, y'all. Wind down, take care, God bless, peace.